Hey, welcome back. Becky here, and in this video I am going to discuss the first P in the 4P process, the right product. This one is so important because if you don't have the right product, then none of the other P's are going to fall in place on your private label journey. So most of the time when people are thinking about what to private label, what to sell on Amazon, they think of things that they are interested in. For example, I love yoga. So a lot of people would say, oh, I want to sell a yoga mat. Well, first of all, you don't know if people are searching for yoga mats. You don't know if the market is saturated for yoga mats. So that's not the best place to just think of an idea and say, oh, I'll sell this. Or other people may go to a store and just pick up and say, oh, here's a pencil. I think I'll sell a pencil on Amazon. That's not the right way to do it either. So what I'm going to do in the right product is I'm going to introduce you to some tools that you can use to search the Amazon database for products to sell on Amazon. So some tools that you can use are, the first one is ASI Inspector, or Jungle Scout, or Viral Launch, or even Scope. Some of these tools are free, some of them are paid. They all do mostly the same thing, but basically what you can do, it's how to find the successful product using the Amazon database, and you can filter this data. You can filter it by the category, you can filter it by the price, you can filter it by the number of sales that it's had, you can filter it by the number of reviews that it's had, 4-star, 3-star, 5-star. These are very, very powerful software that you can take advantage of to find the right product to sell on Amazon. Now with Amazon, you want to make sure that there are certain criteria that you follow when choosing your product, because if not, if you just haste makes waste. So if you're in a hurry and you just say, oh, I want to sell this pencil, and you throw this pencil up there and there's 10,000 other pencils on Amazon, this pencil might not be the best idea. So with your criteria, you want to make sure that there's actually a demand for your product. Are people searching for this blue pencil? Are they searching for it? If they're not, then you should not be selling it, right? And then how many competitors do you have? How many other competitors are on Amazon right now selling a blue pencil with a white eraser? You need to know that. You need to scout out your competition before you even start. And then also product differentiation. You need to differentiate your product. You don't want to be just another Me Too product selling on Amazon. There's probably 10,000 blue pencils with white erasers out there. But there are things that you can do with this pencil to make it the right product. Maybe you could bundle it with an eraser. Maybe you could do a pencil and a crayon and an eraser with your brand on it. And these are some things that you need to think about when trying to decide the right product to sell on Amazon. So what I want you to do is, if you haven't already, I would love to invite you to join our thriving community on Facebook. The link will be below in the video. And also subscribe if you're watching this video on YouTube. And join me tomorrow. I'm going to come back and we're going to talk about the right price, the second P. See you on the next video.